People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com, and my soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com. And I'm playing around with some Christmas presents. I got a spa in a box, which has Epsom salt, a nail clipper, pumice stone, lotion, toe separators, and a nail polish, and might have other stuff down there, but I dug out the nail polish. And I was going to polish my nails, and something wrong with that picture. So I reached over and got one of my paint brushes that's made for acrylic paints, and I just dipped it in there and continued on. But in the meantime, another thing I got for Christmas is my own full coverage nail tips, and I figured out what sizes I needed, and well, actually I traced around my finger and then wrote down what size I needed after I figured out which one fits. And because I don't paint my nails very well, and that's why I basically would pay people, at salons or whatever to paint my nails and apply the acrylic and all that, I came up with a plan. I took some tape and applied the tips to the tape when I figured out what sizes I wanted. And then I painted directly on top of there, let it dry, paint it on top, let it dry, paint it on top, let it dry. And then I, put them on each individual finger, and now I have the perfect manicure. There's no gaps in the color, there's no polish all over my hands, so forth and so on. And since I didn't have, adhesive stick-em-ons, and I don't have glue, I took some of my wig tape and just, cut a piece and stuck it on, then cut a piece and stuck it on, especially since this has two sides. So basically it's like after I got it on, just peeled it off, put the tip to the correct nail. When I verified it was the right one, then I peeled that off, stuck it on, continued going, and that's how I got that. Is that cool or what? So I have a perfect manicure. And then because they were like out to here, I was like, oh, well, let me just go ahead and cut that down. And since I was using the wig tape, I know that's kind of sturdy, so I just went ahead and cut it with some scissors and filed it. Everything I would do after I got home from the salon, and now they're perfect. So I thought I'd share that. In the meantime, if you ever have a nail polish bottle that fails, don't throw away the polish. Just get yourself a brush. You can stick it in there. It cleans up with regular nail polish remover, and you can paint your tips like that or decorate it or whatever, and then just apply it, so that way you don't have to, I make a mess when I do it that way. And then I went on ahead, now that I need it, it's hiding, and took some cuticle oil and went over my cuticles just like I would if I was just in the hand washing portion of the service. So that way I still get that shine and I still take care of my cuticles under. I did give it a light coating with the not buffer, where'd it go? My nail file. Oh, there it is. I have a collection of nail files. So I took this one, which is mainly made for like the finest grit, and I just gave it a once over, so that way when I put the nail polish remover over my nails to prep it, and then tape it and everything, I know I got a good adhesion. Anyway, that's what I did today. This has been People of the Purple Butterfly. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. I swear I'm going to update that soon. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at peepla.etsy.com, and my t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-peepla.tmail.com. Y'all stay blessed and stay tuned. Bye now.
Because I've been thinking about my career and my life and everything, and well, you're always there for me, so sure.